In this lab, we'll learn how to configure a DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer to automatically assign IP addresses to devices on the network. Our network topology includes three PCs, PC1, PC2, and PC3, all connected to a switch on interfaces Fast Ethernet 0 by 1, 0 by 2, and 0 by 3. The DHCP server is connected to switch interface Fast Ethernet 0 by 4, and the router is connected to Fast Ethernet 0 by 5 on the same switch. First, go to the DHCP server. In the Desktop tab, set the IP address and subnet mask of the server as shown on screen. Now, open the Services tab and select DHCP. Here, configure the default gateway and set the start IP address that the server will use to assign IPs to clients. Once done, click Save. Make sure the DHCP service is turned on. Next, go to the router CLI. Set the hostname to R1. Then, enter interface GI00, which connects to the switch interface Fast Ethernet 0 by 5. Enable the interface using the No Shutdown command. Wait a few seconds for the interface to become active. Once the connection is up, set the GI00 interface IP address to DHCP. This means the router will now obtain its IP address automatically from the DHCP server. After a few seconds, you'll see that the interface receives an IP address assigned by the server. Use the Show IP Interface Brief command to verify the IP assignment. Finally, don't forget to save the configuration using Write command. Now let's configure the PCs. Open PC1, go to Desktop IP Configuration, and change the setting from static to DHCP. You'll notice that the PC immediately receives an IP address from the DHCP server. Repeat the same steps for PC2 and PC3. All three PCs should now have automatically assigned IP addresses. To confirm, open the command prompt on each PC and use the ipconfig command. You'll see that each PC has received a unique IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway from the DHCP server. Finally, test network connectivity by pinging the router or between PCs, and you'll see that all devices are successfully communicating within the same network. That's it. We've successfully configured a DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer and verified automatic IP allocation for all connected devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Packet Tracer labs and CCNA tutorials. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming networking labs.